Hello and welcome to this week's episode of How is the Solihull Property Market, Dom? It is a question that I am asked day in, day out, and as a result, release this weekly video. This week's video comes at the end of March and end of quarter one. What I'm going to do this week is take a look at month on month, how March has performed in comparison to February, and what that means for you fantastic people of Solihull. So, as ever, this is a transparent, open and honest overview of the local market. I was disappointed to hear this week that there's other agents that don't believe these stats. Now, if anybody wants to interrogate these stats, and there are pages of data for each and every video that I keep stored at the office, just in case anybody wants to interrogate them, they are 100% and wholly factual. So, now that that's off my chest, let's get stuck into the stats and what these mean for the fantastic people of Solihull. So in February, we saw 250 sales agreed, 342 new instructions came to market, and there were 166 price reductions. How does that compare to March, the month that we have just completed? 294 sales have been agreed. That's up 18% month on month. 388 new properties have come to market. That's up 13% month on month. And 182 price reductions have taken place. That is up 10%. So what does that mean for the local property market? On the whole, it remains positive. Stock levels are good and there are plenty of properties on the market across an array of price ranges. The only difference between the market today and the market at the same time of year last year is that this year, only 75% of stock is moving. This compared to last year, where it was at 92%. So properties are taking ever so slightly much longer to have sales agreed for two reasons. I talk about these every week. There is less of a panic in the market. 20 people aren't viewing the same property and fighting over it. The quality of buyers out there are better and stronger, but they're taking a little bit of time, coupled together with the fact that there are still properties on the market at inflated asking prices or with inflated asking prices. Your sales strategy in this market remains the most important factor when marketing your property. If you need any help, please reach out. My details are splattered across social media and I pride myself on being readily available. Having caught up with the sales teams across DM & Co, there remains demand for family and first-time buyers, family homes and first-time buyer property, £200,000 to £500,000 and sort of £450,000 to £800,000. The premium team are after more of the same, £1 million to £2 million, centrally located in either Solihull or Dorridge, being walking distance to the parks and schools. Gabrielle and her lettings team have posted a record month, and they go from strength to strength, helping landlords across the borough. They are in particular after apartments and family homes with rents between £800 per calendar month and up to £2,500. Thank you for tuning in this week. It is certainly not doom and gloom as the press and media will have you believe. Actually, in my opinion, it is very much the opposite. Have a great week and of course half term for those off on their holidays. Stay tuned for sneak peeks on Monday and remember, like, follow, share and share this to stay up to speed with the Solihull property market. Thank you all and I look forward to catching up with you in the week. And in particular, thank you to those that do continue to send those messages of support. Take care.